Sir, for me, this is like the biggest boon matlab, I could have got this year because, sir, I had no one that could guide me in right direction. I used to study a lot, and everyone used to say that you are not in the right direction. But what to do, I didn't know that. Matlab, I had no idea that where was I wrong. So
Definitely, I think it's very useful because this was my first attempt. I started last October and I gave this attempt. I was only focusing on building up the knowledge part, but I was not very confident of solving the questions. My idea was that if I know, I know it. If I don't know, I will not know it. I never had the idea that I could try to answer a question that I have no idea about based on logic.
So now you feel confident about solving unknown questions?
Yes, so definitely. Now I try to answer a lot of questions, even if I have no idea of it. It doesn't prevent me or scare me from trying to approach it from a different.
This is the spirit needed for solving unknown questions in Sumit.
Sir, actually, after having failed in prelims, I was not having the guts to prepare for it again. But, this session has really given me the positivity and motivation to start again and try it once more. So, all thanks to you. I'm really grateful, I was saying to the universe ki if UPSC is for me, kindly show some guidance. Like, I need somebody who can, really at this point of time help me out, like where I'm making mistake, because I did not know how to solve it on my own. Plus, I'm not living in Delhi. So, having, that kind of atmosphere where, aspirants are together and discussing things was not here for me. Not even libraries. I have nothing at all, only internet connection. So, this is kind of like a boon for me, a blessing for me, where I can discuss it with other aspirants and I can know what is their strategy and, how they are coping up in the exam like situation. So, definitely very beneficial. All I'll say, it is like a boon for me. So I have again started my preparation, and all thanks to you, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir, I had been preparing all by myself, and I was also looking forward for a small group, whereas I could understand how others are approaching. So as I have already told you that this the approaches of other students are actually helping me to understand how questions can be approached from different perspectives. So yes, great thanks to you. It's helping me a lot.
And so you are like understand.
In my initial the 2 attempts, I thought that we should mug up the facts. Then then I should give the correct option, right? Like that. I don't know that UPSC requires this type of thinking. In every question, they are making us to think a lot. I don't know that. But after attending your sessions, you enlightened me. You taught me to think in different ways. Even though we didn't learn the fact from the books or newspapers, you taught me to approach the question in a commonsensical way. In somewhere I have heard about something, somewhere I have visualized something. Even with that knowledge, we can solve the questions, sir. You have taught me that strategies and many more strategies like the 1% rule or the known for known and unknown for unknown. The way of thinking, sir, how to brainstorm, you have taught me, sir. So that's how I crossed 80 plus marks in prelims, sir. Thanks a lot.
सुधार की जो जरूरत ये है कि और जो है सर एनसीईआरटी पे और हमको फोकस करने की जरूरत है सर, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन जो है एनसीईआरटी और करंट अफेयर को ही सिर्फ मिला करके पूरे पीटी के अंदर जो है दिया गया है, मतलब डिस्कशन से कंप्लीटली ऐसा पता चल रहा है। और इससे पहले जो है पेपर दिए थे तो उस समय जो है इतनी तैयारी नहीं थी और नहीं इतना जानकारी था कि कैसे जो है एनसीईआरटी और करंट अफेयर को रिलेट करके जो है यूपीएससी क्वेश्चन देती है। अभी आपके सेशन में जो है और भी अभी आपके सेशन में जो है यस सर, ये सेशन में जो है एकदम मतलब क्लियरली इस चीज को जो हम कोरिलेट कर पा रहे हैं कि एनसीईआरटी और करंट अफेयर को यूपीएससी कैसे ले करके और क्वेश्चन जो है बनाती है। अब जैसे बहुत सारे इरिलेवेंट पॉइंट है जो कि हमारे दिमाग में ऑलवेज चलते रहते हैं, जैसे कि करंट अफेयर के बहुत सारे ऐसे मुद्दे हैं जिसको हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा स्टडी करते हैं, जो कि काफी हाईलाइटेड मुद्दे होते हैं, मगर यूपीएससी जो है उन मुद्दों को जो है लेकर के कहीं भी ये नहीं की है। अगर कोई भी नया क्रिएशन कर दी है, जैसे कि अभी जो है जल शक्ति मंत्रालय से जो है वो देखें जिसमें शुगर केन वाला आया मैटर, तो जो अगर कुछ नया क्रिएशन कर दी है तो उस पर हम लोग को ज्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए बनिस्बत की सोशल मुद्दे लेकर के जो हम लोग दिन भर जो है पड़े रहते हैं उसके पीछे।
करेक्ट, सही, मतलब कि यूपीएससी, हाउ यूपीएससी इज मेकिंग क्वेश्चन यू आर एबल टू सी। करेक्ट,
यस सर, यस सर, आपके प्रोग्राम से ये देखिए।
I think it is unit emotional. Whether I will check it is I know this fact or not. Either I know this fact, I give an attempt. If I didn't know the fact, I didn't attempt the question. But after attending a session, I came to know about the different perspectives of solving questions, and I am knowing how to approach properly, how to approach a question. As aspirant, how to approach a question. There you can approach in different ways you can approach this question. It's more helpful for me. And the important thing is, by discussing, we also came to know about which one to pick and which one we couldn't pick during studying. And during approaching questions, which keywords I have to pick and which keywords I couldn't take it. So it is more helpful.
Sir, for me this is like the biggest boon matlab I could have got this year, because sir, I had no one that could guide me in right direction. I used to study a lot and everyone used to say that you are not in the right direction, but what to do I didn't know that. Matlab I had no idea that where was I wrong. So when I attended your sessions, then I came to know, okay, here I am lacking. I don't know matlab basics of NCERT I have to focus on, or matlab this question could have been solved so easily with a calm mind, or so many things, sir. 1% rule, known for known, that everything whatever you taught, sir, such it is very great. I'm very grateful to you, sir. And
Thanks a lot.
the members also, they discuss and they share the knowledge. So this group also I'm very delightful to join. Matlab I had no one to share or something like that, no one around me, but sir, this is very nice initiative. Thank you so much.
यही ऐसा ही होता था कि मैं एक्चुअली में क्या है, अभी स्टेट पीसीएस के इंटरव्यू और मेंस में फंस गया था। मैं इसके लिए बिल्कुल भी इनिशिएट नहीं कर पा रहा था कि कब पढ़ना है, कब कैसा क्या करना है। लेकिन जब से आपसे जुड़ा हूँ तो अच्छी बात यह है कि अब एक टाइम टेबल बन चुका है कि अच्छा इस टाइम जो है यूपीएससी को ही देना है, तो बहुत अच्छा है सर। और पहली बात, दूसरी बात ये कि इस पे जो पार्टिसिपेट हैं करते हैं वो सभी अलग अलग जगह से हैं और सभी का लेवल बहुत अच्छा है, तो एक अच्छा कंपटीशन का माहौल ही बनता है, अपन जो कुछ सीखते हैं और अच्छा कर पाते हैं। एक्चुअली क्या है, मैं इनसाइड कट पर डे जो आता है वो मैं तो देता ही हूँ, तो उस पे जो सबसे बड़ी सीख हमको यही मिलती है कि एग्जाम जो क्वेश्चन है उसके हर एक पॉइंट हमको कहीं ना कहीं कुछ क्लू देते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि आप जो किताब से पढ़ करके जाओगे वही आपको वहाँ मिलेगा, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है। आपको वहाँ पे 360 सोचना है, कुछ भी आपको वहाँ पे हेल्प कर सकता है, तो काफ़ी हेल्प मिलता है सर। थैंक यू सर इस चीज़ के लिए कि आपने जो है अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया।
So I think it's really helping me because कई बार ऐसा होता है कि I have like a lot of self-doubt when I answer the questions, and most of the times, apart from what I've read, it's like whatever I've learned from life, because I've been exposed to different kinds of people, so I try to use that knowledge as well when I answer the questions. I just am able to understand that I kind of need to fine-tune that knowledge as well with more factual or more better understanding of what I've been through. So I think that I'm able to understand over here. And self-doubt and fear of the paper is one thing that I have to overcome. But I understood this, that when I am looking back at the paper right now, I'm able to understand that I let go of a lot of things in the exam hall because I was scared I'll be wrong.
Okay. So is the group
Yes.
discussions helping? Is the group discussions that is going on is like good?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. I think all of them are way better than myself. So I think they're adding a lot to my mental space as well. So it's great. Thank you.
Add that such discussions are generally more substantial for our preparation when the crowd as well as the host, they both give inputs not only about how they solve the question but in a way that we could connect to. And I think for the 4 questions we were here, Nick and me, we did fight a little over sports, but other than that, like for 97, the capital development fund and the how Hyderabad thing we came across and other things, it actually helps a lot because these people, they are like me only, right? So that somehow enables the cognition to work for solving these questions. So yeah,
Actually, every